Understanding, causing a commotion, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into the phrase, causing a commotion. Have you ever heard someone use it and wondered what exactly it means? Well, you're in the right place to find out. Let's explore this phrase together, its origins, examples, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Causing a commotion refers to creating a disturbance or a fuss that attracts attention. This can be due to loud noise, a big argument, or anything that disrupts the normal peace and quiet. It's often used to describe situations where someone or something is causing enough stir to be noticed by others around them. The key aspect here is the disruption of normalcy, whether it's in a positive, negative, or neutral context. The phrase, causing a commotion, has been in use for quite some time, with its roots going deep into English history. Commotion itself comes from the Latin word, commotio, which means a violent motion or agitation. Over the years, the meaning evolved to include any kind of disturbance, not just physical. Understanding the origins helps us grasp the full weight of the phrase and its ability to convey a wide range of disturbances. Let's look at some examples of how causing a commotion can be used. The new policy at work is causing quite a commotion. Everyone's talking about it. Please try to enter quietly. We don't want to cause a commotion during the ceremony. The surprise guest at the party really caused a commotion. These examples show different scenarios where the phrase can be applied, highlighting its versatility. Using causing a commotion in your English conversations can add a layer of richness to your vocabulary. Here are some tips. Use it to describe situations with noticeable disturbances. It can be applied in both formal and informal contexts, but consider the tone of your conversation. Experiment with related words like stir, fuss, or ruckus to vary your language. We hope this video has illuminated the phrase, causing a commotion, for you. It's a wonderful example of English's dynamic and descriptive nature. Remember, learning a language is all about exploration and practice, so don't hesitate to use causing a commotion in your next conversation. Until next time, keep learning and see you in our next video.